Hello guys, today we make a smoking gun using a mini vacuum and these metal pieces they usually is for sac à poche when you make cakes. This is not my idea, I tell you straight away. I copy this idea from Ether. You can watch the original video here. My idea was to use a pump, usually the one that you blow or put air in your mattress, but was too expensive, plus you need to unplug the power, so if you are doing this outside it's not so easy. This one has the battery, so you can do this far away from your house without fighting with your wife about smoking process. Another idea was the pump that you can use for the aquarium, to put air inside the aquarium, but the problem is again the power. You need to unplug in some place, and plus there is the way out of the air but not the way in. So this one has a way in here and way out here, plus can stand by himself, so just press and voila. So now I will cut the top part because we don't need this brush, and I want to use few of these to make a cone here on the top. In this way we can put the wood and make the smoke. So let's try. I want to use this to avoid to glue it, because the glue is no good after that we will use this for the food. Okay, cut it. Now this one can fit perfectly in this piece of pipe that before I forgot to show you. You put like this. You can fix with a piece of metal or with this one. I don't know how to call it. It's the one that electricians they use it. On the other side you put the cone, press very well, and you can put the other one inside like this. And after we can taste it. Ta-da! It's working very well. Now I switch off, because if not some people will call the fireman. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos. Please click on the bell because the next video will be smoked whiskey. Bye bye.